Welcome back, guys, to another week's project. Right, so this week we are going to be turning this red mallee burr. Idea for this one, a bowl. Going to try and put a nice foot on the bottom first, so it's got a nice resting point on the bowl. Dish it out, and hopefully I'm going to be able to get the rim to sit proud of the burr, so it sort of looks like it's popping out of the bowl. I think that would be pretty cool. I've wanted to do one of these for a long time. I haven't got round to it. I haven't found the right sort of burr for the project, but I think this one's going to look pretty cool. Little shop update also, guys. As of the 7th of January, I am going to be refitting out my workshop, just to make it more vibrant for you guys, make it easier to record, less cluttered, and just all round better. And always good to start fresh in the new year. Anyway, let's get turning, guys. So guys, this one I'm going to be having my controls around this side. I do not want to be leaning around, especially past this point, because whereas on, say, a normal bowl you've got that continuous edge, this is like a, well, they call it a knuckle buster. So yeah, we don't want to be getting hit with that, because I'm sure that'll be a trip to A&E. Right guys, so I'm flattening this bottom part off. I'm going to use my small chuck claws on here, which I'm going to have to go a bit deeper because there's still a little bit here. I'll rest my bar on there. That's still protruding a little bit there, so I'm going to have to take this down just a touch more, just to shear the top of this sort of little burl cap off here. So guys, that's now flat. Let me just get the bar again. So that is now flat. Which is good. All I need to do now is I need to turn this down a little bit, because the wall this side is a little bit sort of shallow. So I do need to turn it down a bit. Just a little bit more, so my little jaws will get in there and hold on, clamp on nicely. Right, so I'm pretty happy with that. I think that's will hold up nicely. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to give that a little bit of a rub down now. Let's move that out of the way. Right, so hopefully guys this actually works, and these jaws do hold it nicely. That's sort of at capacity, I think, on the hole size. Right, so guys, now what I'm going to try and do now is I'm going to try and put sort of quite a, I don't want to do it too thin, sort of a rim. Now I'm going to mark the rim up, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a scraper to come away and flatten it away so it pulls it back, so it looks like it's popping out of the wood, and that will get rid of some of these marks that we used to obviously number up the wood. And that as well, and just sort of clean that up a little bit. But yeah, that's what we're going to move on to now. But that is looking pretty nice in there. I really like that red mallee burr. It's fantastic. I think I'm going to take it about there. So guys, this one's all going to be hand sanded. I could sand the inside of the bowl, but I want it all to look really similar. Yeah, I just want to be careful. I don't want this to be spinning and sanding it, and I haven't got a bowl sander at the moment, so I haven't even got that thing where I can have that distance away. One lacks a bit of concentration, and that's going to hit you, and I don't really want that, to be honest with you, so I'm just going to hand sand it. Right guys, so we've applied 2 coats of the cellulose sanding sealer, I'm going to apply one more coat to it, and I'm only going to give it the very lightest of sands, if any at all, and then I'm going to apply some Yorkshire grit over the top once that's dried, just to pull that back. So guys, here it is, the red mallee burl bowl. Yeah, it's really good. I really like it. I managed to keep the rim above the burl. I was worried about sanding it, like the inside of the bowl, with it turning, any slight distraction or anything, and you could have a finger missing or a part of your arm. Always try and stay safe when you're on the lathe. But yeah, it's really nice. I will definitely put some stills up at the end of this, so I can get some different angles to show you what it looks like. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. Really nice piece. So thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video and you haven't watched before, please hit that subscribe button. And thank you to all my subscribers that have come over to my channel and the subscribers that have already been with me from the beginning. Thank you very much, guys. I really do appreciate your support. And I will see you all again next week.